Hi, my name is Olivia. I am a third-year student in the Education Transfer Program at GPRC, and I play for the women's volleyball team.
Hi, my name is Kate, and I'm in my first year of education.
I'm Amy.
I'm Haley. I'm Tanya Dewick as my fourth year playing at GPRC.
Hi, I'm Barb Cranston.
My name is Jordan Jose. I'm fourth year.
You know I come to you because you always love me. Oh, what I wouldn't do. I'll carry away. I'll do anything for you. My hopes may break, but I'll never be untrue.
So it's a lot more of a small town feel here. I think it's nice because you come into the gym and you have second family. So being away from mine, it's kind of nice to come into the gym and know that you have 13 or 14 other sisters and then you can tell them anything.
I know that I'll never drown.
You used to make peanut butter cookies. Then what do you use to make Girl Scout cookies?
Girl Scouts, clearly, for sure.
How excited are you guys to actually be hosting provincials and playing in front of your home crowd?
I'm so excited.
I'm so excited that we're hosting.
I'm so excited. This is my second year at GPRC. I played somewhere else earlier, but the atmosphere here is just unreal.
Yeah. Come cheer us on.
Come cheer on the road! And support the Wolves. We're gearing up for provincial, so we need all the fans we can get.
That's good.
Support your
GPRC volleyball team
On weekend.
So come out to the Wolves Den.
See you then.